Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add clickable links on TikTok. Now there are actually three ways in order for us to get this done. The first thing being is our TikTok bio. So if you want to put a link here in our TikTok bio, we're going to go ahead and hit the edit profile, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see website. So from here you can just go ahead and click that one, and then you can go ahead and paste the link that you want to be clicked in here. So I'm just going to save it, and we're going to go ahead and see it in our profile appear just like so. Now another way in order for us to get this done is by becoming a TikTok shop seller. So in my case, I am a TikTok shop seller right here, so I can just go ahead and basically post something. Say for example, I'm just going to record a video just like so, and then go ahead and click the next button. And there you go, there is an option there to add a link, so you can click that one, click product, and then you can go ahead and choose your link here. So say for example, this one, I'm just going to add it, and then I'm just going to basically leave the name there and then post this one. And here it is. So as you can see, now we have added this one. They can go ahead and click this one, and they should be redirected to this very link that you have them set up. And yeah, the other one is for you to become a TikTok shop affiliate. So being a TikTok shop affiliate and TikTok shop seller is going to use the same method. So you're just basically going to go ahead and upload something like a video, for example, and just like so. But this time you can go ahead and add a product, and this time instead of using those from your shop, you can go ahead and use these down below. Or if you want to add another, you can just go ahead and click add more products, and then you're going to choose, say for example, product marketplace, and you can go ahead and choose a product which you want to add here. Say for example, I'm just going to use this one right here. Click the add button. All right, and then just click the add button once again, and as you can see, now we have it there. So if I were to post this just like so, we can go ahead and see the product that we have added in here. So they can just go ahead and click this one, and they should be redirected here. And yep, that is how you're going to add clickable links here on TikTok.